Exercise is a crucial component of any weight loss journey. To effectively shed pounds and improve overall health, incorporating a variety of exercises into your routine is essential. Here are 5 useful exercises for weight loss. 1. Cardiovascular exercises. Cardio workouts such as running, cycling, or swimming are excellent for burning calories and increasing heart rate. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate to high-intensity cardio exercise most days of the week to see significant weight loss results. 2. Strength training. Building muscle mass through strength training exercises like weightlifting or bodyweight exercises can help boost metabolism and burn fat more efficiently. Incorporate strength training into your routine at least 2 to 3 times a week for optimal results. 3. High-intensity interval training, HIIT. HIIT workouts involve short bursts of intense exercise, followed by brief periods of rest or lower-intensity activity. This type of training is highly effective for burning calories and improving cardiovascular fitness in a short amount of time. 4. Yoga. While yoga may not seem like a traditional weight loss exercise, it can be incredibly beneficial for both physical and mental well-being. Practicing yoga regularly can help improve flexibility, strength, and mindfulness, all of which can support weight loss efforts. 5. Walking. Walking is a simple yet effective exercise for weight loss that can be easily incorporated into daily life. Aim to walk for at least 30 minutes a day, whether it's a brisk walk around the neighborhood or taking the stairs instead of the elevator.